Hey, I'm looking to invest in ultra short duration funds. Can you tell me more about them?
Ultra-short duration funds are a category of debt mutual funds that invest in bonds and money market instruments with a maturity of around 3 to 6 months.
What does maturity mean here?
It refers to the average time period for which the fund holds its underlying securities. The short maturity helps align the fund's portfolio with a short-term investment horizon.
Anything else I should know?
These funds may offer income through interest earned on the underlying instruments. They are often considered for the temporary parking of surplus money, usually for a few months.
Thanks. This was really helpful.
You're welcome. Feel free to reach out for additional information.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.